Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? In today's trading session, I took 2 separate trades. We're going to go ahead and review those, so please sit back and enjoy the stream recap. Good morning. How we doing? Let's look, shall we? We rejected 12,200 again. So we are opening up inside yesterday's value area on both of them. We got a value area high rotation at 3905. I'm just going to be patient here, kind of see what's going on. Definitely trending to the upside here. So just kind of want to see like, okay, are we going to roll over here and crack 50? Flush it to 20, or are we going to kind of push and crack 80 with a surge in delta? That's what I want to see. All right, candles closing out here. Nice little doji on the ES. Put in some decent volume there. You could see it kind of building out. Do we think we just put in a low at 12K? I mean, that's kind of what we just called out. Seems too good to be true. Delta looks heavy, but who knows? That was a fast 30 minutes. I agree. All right, kicked right up to value area high. ES trying to run, potentially trying to run the highs, break out of the range, maybe. Now it's definitely running. ES ran the highs, ran through the block at 80. Now the question is where to get in at. So do you have some of these top wicks here? I'm not going to call them a wick test. Just call it like an area of potential interest. Could be a bounce spot there. I'm going to go ahead and participate here. See if we can flip green on this candle or not. At the end of the day, we are at the top of the range here. So I want to be like kind of aggressive on the exit. There you go. Aggressive on the exit. I'm going to take that. So I just took $125 after 51 seconds. I think the kind of my thought process there, it was more of a split second decision to just like take the small winner. Is that if we're at the top of a range and I'm getting in near the top of the range, I think it's in my best interest to take the quick scalp and then for us to break out and me leave those points on the table, but to be able to just like to define a clear breakout and a clear uptrend as opposed to hoping that we push the highs and push an uptrend and then, you know, us instead rotating over or something. There you go. Wow, look at that. Dumping. I am happy with my trade. There you go. That was exactly what I was talking about. I would rather take the small win than shoot for the stars at the top of the range. I'm very happy with that. All right, kind of got slapped, pushing back into volume potentially. This is where we bounced last time too. I'm gonna get long here. I like the curling. We're right back at the bottom of the range. We'll keep it tight. If we can get above volume at 30 and the ES pushes green, we should be in for a nice little short-term ripper, I think. A prior open and close at 35. So far, kind of tricky. Just got to push through that. Need a little flick of the domino to get through that 35 range. That's not the way yet. Got some sellers trying to push through as well. I'm going to go and take that off. Just kind of sketched out by it. I don't really like this part. I was, again, basically no drawdown trade. Getting up into that 10-point range. So I'm just going to take the 10 points and run. I feel like I have to be scalpy today and look for smaller targets than I would like than I want to look for. 2 no drawdown trades in a row. I love that, obviously. That was a 2-minute and 22-second trade. We're up $300. Looking for a lot more than 10, 15 points just seems very greedy right now, and I don't want to be greedy. It's all about that balance of like getting something out of the market but not getting too much out of the market. So anyways, I'm fine with 10 points.